Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Shopify Starter Plan, everything you need to know about it, what you can or cannot do using it, and all those things. Let's start by going over the prices. So now if we go to this Shopify page, we see the prices for the other plans, but we want to focus on the starter, which is right here. As you can see, it is $15 per month. And if you get the free trial or the first 3 months are going to be for $1 per month until you hit the fourth month, and then you would be starting to pay 15 per month. As it says here, sell products at events and through social media and messaging apps. So, what does that mean? That means that this starter plan is different from the others in terms of you don't get to get a full website. You don't have to customize a whole website in order for you to get your products on it and then sell it. You can sell it through your Instagram, Snapchat, messaging apps, SMS, it doesn't really matter. If you can share a link, you can do it. And you can also sell products in person in real life, and we're going to go through all of those things. So if you would go to this page over here, the starter page, if we click on what is starter plan, it should just tell us the summary. It's the easiest version of Shopify. That means that, as I said earlier, you don't really have to create much in order to start. You just simply just go ahead and start your free trial or start paying for it, and then you just hop in and get your products and get a link, and then you start selling them. So at $15 per month, you can create a starter store in minutes, powered by Shopify's industry best checkout experience. So it's very simple, unlike the other plans where you have to customize your own website and all of those things. So, how much does it cost? As I said, it costs $15 per month. However, you need to pay attention to this. The transaction fees are 5% when you use the Shopify payments. So, keep that in mind. Now, let's go to this section, which is the important section over here. What does the starter plan include? The Shopify Starter Plan includes just what you need to start selling your products in person. As I said, you can do it in person, which I will show you how in a second, or to audiences on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and whatever you can share a link on. So, what does it actually include? So, it includes all the essential tools that you need: the checkout page, contact page, the product page, obviously, where you list your products and all of those things. And you can get access to link pop. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to click on that. So you get access to link pop. You get access to Shopify apps also, and order management, and all of those things. So you basically get all the essentials for product page, inbox, link pop, checkout, and those things are going to be included in your starter plan. So what do you actually do once you get started? If we go and scroll to the bottom, you can see this link pop over here. If you click on that, you will get access to it. Well, you need to understand that link pop by itself is actually free. However, once you get the starter plan on Shopify, you can link it with your link pop, and then you would have your store carried over to link pop. And as you can see, the examples on the right side is going to be something like this. It's almost like Linktree, where you have all of your socials and also your products. So it's, you could say it's a mini site where it just includes the products and your socials, and that's it. Doesn't have to be a complex website, so you can just sign up for LinkPop and link it to your Shopify after you get the starter plan, obviously, and you can just customize it the way you want and get more views and all of those things. You can keep track of your analysis and all of those things in link pops. You get access to all of those things in here. You get also all the access to the Shopify apps. So if we go to this Shopify App Store, you can actually use whichever app in here with your starter plan. However, I need to note that not all apps are going to be compatible with the starter plan since it doesn't really have a proper website unlike the other plans. So just keep that in mind. But and in theory, you could use every single app in here. So uh, if we go back, I actually have a notepad over here. I wrote down some points that you need to keep in mind. So Shopify Starter Plan. It is the easy way to start selling products without having to spend much time and money. Uh, as I said earlier, you don't really have to create much. You just hop on it and start. And it gives you the option to test your business ideas without having to dig in too deep. So, this tells us when you actually would consider having to pay for the starter plan instead of, for example, the basic or other plans. Simply, if you have a business idea, however, you're not so sure of it, you can start using the starter plan and see, test the waters basically, see if it gets some customers, if it attracts some customers. And if it does, then you can continue with it, or you can even do what's better and upgrade to the basic plan and start having your website and even drive in more traffic. So that's when you would actually consider buying the starter plan. Now, the cost, we have mentioned that before, $15 per month with 5% transaction fees. Now, you get the essential features, product page, checkout inbox, and all those. I have already mentioned that. And you can also just start by using your smartphone and nothing else. Remember, all you need for the starter plan is a platform to share your product links on, and that's it. You don't really need much. You don't need a website or any other complicated elements to it. Simply, you share your product links, and that's it. Now, as it says here, after having an established customer base and demand for your products, you can then upgrade to the basic plan and create a fully customizable website in order to drive in more traffic. And you get access to Shopify apps on the App Store. Now, how can you sell in person? You use something. Let's see in here. How do I sell using chat and DMs? It's just you use the product link and you just send it. It's simple. But how do you sell in person? If we click on here, it tells you the starter plan includes POS Lite, Shopify's basic point of sale. You simply download it on your phone, and then you use that to accept payment instantly with tap to pay on iPhone, or shop a selection of fully integrated card readers for every budget. So you can use this app over here, Shopify POS app, in order to sell your products in person. But if you want to sell it on your Instagram or whatever social media you have, again, you go ahead and get your uh, the link pop, and then you just paste the link on your bio, and from there, uh, if anybody clicks on your link pop, they will find basically all the products listed for them, and they can just simply use that in order to buy your products. So that's one way of doing it. As you can read here, the Shopify Starter Plan and innovative tools like Link Pop can help you sell on social media quickly and easily. Even if, in addition to the social sales channels that you might already have set up on your Shopify store, Starter Plan gives you the payment processing power and security of Shopify. So all of those security elements that you get from Shopify are included in the starter plan. So, in simple terms, when do you actually, why would you even prefer starter plan over, let's go over here, why would you prefer it over the basic or Shopify or advanced plans? So, Again, to make it simple, basic plan is going to be you would have to run an entire website. You would write blog posts and put your products in a customizable way, more complex. You get to do more stuff with the basic plan, and it's going to take some time for you to set up. However, for the starter plan, if you're just starting out and you're not sure how to customize, or you don't want to invest too much time or money into it, you could just go ahead and start with this. And then afterwards, if you get customers and some demand for your products, that's when you go ahead and upgrade. But for the time being, you can just stick with the starter plan if it's working well and you just want to sell things through your social media, and that's it. You don't want to dive too deep into the web store and all of those things. So that's simply the starter plan and what you can do with it. If you want more to learn more, you just can go to Shopify and then you go to starter plan and you can learn more here. Sorry, you can learn more here in the FAQs. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.